Hi, Matt McAleer, Director of Equity Strategies at Cumberland Advisors. I would call this week domestically constructive. We had the nice early week move, pre and post-election, followed up by some weakness Thursday, Friday. This weakness Thursday, Friday, what we're looking to see, ideally, is for it to make a higher low versus the late October weakness. Even international, which has lagged, showed a little bit of push this week. Relative strength-wise, the U.S. is still a stronger market than the international markets, but at least we saw some lift. Like to see some higher lows there too. So in circling around to another point, our perception is that we're trying to make higher lows. That's what Cumberland on the equity side is trading on. Our perception is it's a nasty pullback in a decent ongoing market. Reality may be different. Reality may be that this is the beginning of a rollover. If that's the case, we'll have to take cash back up. Recall that we were about 19% cash in US. Through October, we took that down to 5%. International, we were 22% cash. We're still there. We haven't seen enough push in the ratios we look at to get more aggressive internationally. So we're always battling our perception versus reality in the trading room. What do we perceive the markets to be doing versus what are they actually doing? It leads us to point number 2, cash. That cash cushion coming into October served us and benefited us 2 ways. First off, it gave us a little cushion in terms of performance. But second of all, something that often gets overlooked is what cash does to you emotionally. That cash let us look at the market from a different angle than if we were fully invested, sweating every percent or 2% down. It lets you look for opportunity instead of pure defense. So at Cumberland at times, we will raise cash ahead of panic. If panic doesn't come, we can always go back in. US ETF strategy right now, call us fully invested, we're 2 or 3% cash. International, 20% cash, 22% cash. Need to see a little better thrust in some of these markets. And then in our flexible, our tactical strategy, we're at about 22, 23% cash. You'll see that cash start to get allocated internationally and in our tactical strategy if we can make some higher lows that we're working on from this week. Everyone have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.